Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I think we are discussing how did you write the exam on yesterday? Easy, difficult? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Workman? How did you write the exam for the dollar in mute? Huh? Difficult, huh? Easy, huh? Abrar, how much you got?
Server problem, sir. Yesterday, didn't I?
You did not have a.
Server
Why,
problem,
man?
sir. Server problem, sir.
Why?
Yesterday, website was not
Yesterday no
working.
There
exam,
was
huh?
so much there, sir, but for many of the students there was server problem.
Sir, for me also
Yes,
there
sir.
is.
Exam was not starting, sir. As it starts, it is ending in within 1 or 2 minutes like that.
So what you have done, man? You hacked that site and did something?
No, sir, no, sir.
Sir.
Yes, man, I know. One of you hacked that. Because every week we should not write exam. Okay, come back to this. So even the situation is helping you to get less marks and escape, man. Huh? All my efforts are gone now. Question paper.
No,
I
sir.
do lot of when I give a paper, I do lot of homework. You can see many very good variety questions will come in my paper if you want to check up.
Yes, sir. Check the paper.
All the efforts are wasted.
We got
Okay.
that paper, sir, they are solving that now.
No, sir. After the exam,
Yes, sir.
we received the
Yes,
paper.
sir.
We solved later.
Hopefully, I want to test your knowledge skills. Means after exam you will do. That is not assignment, no? Right. Come back to the story. See, there is one small mistake actually. It is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is non-conducting, no?
Yes, sir.
Charge resides only.
The surface.
Remember that? What is that we got here? We have taken a Gaussian surface, which is a cylinder. This is E, n cap, E, n cap. Understood this?
Yes.
Charge enclosed. Enclosed is only this region now. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Remember this? If it is a conducting sheet, charge will be on both sides. Okay. Hmm. See, charge is enclosed in both parts, no?
Yes, sir.
All of you
Yes,
following
sir.
this man?
Yes, sir.
Follow it.
Yes, sir. A is same. No? Area. I mean to say area. What is this you have?
Sigma by epsilon.
So we used this to do the previous problem. Shall I turn this?
One minute, please. Yes, sir. Doctor.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute.
See, 11 to 1, shall I shift your class morning?
Yes, sir.
Sir, like
Hmm?
11 to 12:30, then in afternoon, 1.5 hour,
No.
3 hours
can.
that way.
No. Actually, there is now one small provision for shifting your class with another section. There's some other timetable problem. If you want, I'll recommend you. Extra time they're not possible, man, because this year they took so many batches. I don't know why. Corona effect. And last year these people got ranks, no, that 92nd and all, full floating. Problem is that, and they're pushing me into every section. Anyhow, you just wait for another 20-30 days. These outgoing batches go away, then I can give the extra classes. Now I'm doing extra work for outgoing batches. Incoming juniors, incoming seniors, okay. Outgoing is an extra burden actually. Nobody will teach that. By April they'll go away usually. But now they got stuck up now because of cancellation of exam. For next 1 month, after that they write the exams. I'll be that extra time I'll give it to you. You don't worry. My target I'll do it. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, in the last class we used one. There are two plates here now. Two or three, yeah. Two plates. One is given as 10, the other is given 20, no? He wants to find the fields, no? Now you know half of the total charge. Here what you have?
20 plus 10 by 2.
Here also
20 plus 10 by 2.
so here
Minus 50. Yes, sir. Minus 50.
understood this.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see we were supposed to find the electric field in three regions: left, center, and right. Okay. See here. Ex, please see, due to this charge itself, how much is that?
Yes, sir. Divided by-
2 epsilon naught we should take now.
Yes, sir.
If I keep plus 1, this goes like this now. Due to negative, it will come towards that now.
Yes, sir.
Due to this repulsion now.
Yes, sir.
Minus
If I
1
keep
plus
plus
10.
1, due to this, it will go this side now.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. This is non-conducting.
One side charge we are taking now. Hello.
Yes,
We are taking only one side charge. We are not taking together. Why we are not together means sigma by epsilon naught you cannot apply because charges are different now.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
So I am taking charge on one side. For each one I am applying. All of you followed this or not? So if I keep a plus 1 here, due to this charge it will go. Due to negative it will go to our side. Due to this, left side. Due to this charge, left side. Understood this? Now I think see you will be getting 15 by epsilon naught A. This is first time I gave this only. You told 30 again we corrected now. Understood our mistake?
Yes, sir.
No, EY you need. Write the EY then. You can write it, see. Make that correction, okay? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Till.
So that 5ac by a divided by 2 epsilon naught, so then sir. Yes, sir, that one.
This,
Minus
ah.
sign.
Why man? If I keep plus one charge, it moves towards which side? Right side only, no? Negative, no? This is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, attracting.
Yeah, attraction this side only, no? We want force on this due to this.
So yes,
Not force on this due to this.
yes,
This gets attracted or not?
yes, sir, attracted.
Attracted.
Wherever you want electric field, keep one plus one charge, that's all over. Hmm. Shall I turn this?
Sir,
But then others will get repelled now, sir.
Pardon?
Then due to that 15 mu, it will get repelled now, sir, and it will go left side now, sir.
Which one due to 15? Yes, when due to 15, it is left side only.
But you wrote right now, sir.
sir, you wrote I cap.
You wrote I cap.
If we write also, we can change. What is that?
Minus I cap.
That's why I always say note down. Don't copy. Ultimately, you'll get this is the answer. That is sure.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
See, you see nothing of spheres. Now you have see, suppose this is an isolated plate. Okay. Now you give a charge Q to this. Then what will happen? then half will be going this side. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Now, suppose you earth this. That means you close the switch. What will happen? This potential has to become zero, no? For
Yes.
this potential to become zero, this potential is only due to its own charge, no? Because there are no charges present outside, no?
Yes, sir. It
Agreed?
is isolated.
So,
Due to its own charge.
okay. So, when you're earthing, what will happen? Earthed conductor has potential zero, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed this? They agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Therefore, charge on this should be zero, no?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? That means entire charge flows to understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir, please.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Follow carefully. Now this plate, you are having q by 2, q by 2. Okay. Now let us see, nearer to this plate, I am bringing another charged plate. Then what will happen? This will be, because a neutral plate, understood this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, you close this. Once you close, what will happen?
Potential will be zero, but charges will be
So here, remember, this negative charge electrons flow from here. They first nullify this charge. After nullification, still some more negative charge goes on like that. So what will happen? This will be, first this will be nullified now. Follow this. So this
yes,
goes
sir.
to 0. After that, what will happen? Negative charge builds. Still what happens? Some more negative charge will come now. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Yes,
Still
sir.
you are giving, some more comes over here now because it distributes equally now.
Yes, sir.
So that means what will happen finally? This negative charge will increase, Agreed? This
Yes, sir.
becomes 0. This becomes 0. When you give negative charge goes as attracted by this now. It goes like this now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agree.
So when this is negative is increasing, this will increase,
Yes, sir.
And how that will increase actually? For this, suppose this is minus 2, this will be plus 2. Minus 4, plus 4. Minus 10, plus 10. For this, earth is giving. For this, what is that you are getting it? Who is giving that?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Who is
Q.
giving?
Earth electrons.
Huh?
Sir, minus Q by 2, sir. In inducing charge.
Yes, man. For this, it is how that means this charge should go over here, no?
Yes, sir.
Already it's distributed. That means this will be decreasing, no?
Yes, sir.
For this increases because earth is giving. For this has to increase and it goes to there, no? Now finally this becomes 0, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
this has Q. So this has minus Q. Okay, this is 0. So this is the status. This is the final. No more charge flows. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, no.
Go through that carefully. You'll be understanding better. Go through that analysis for 5 minutes. You'll be understanding. Any doubt is there? Any doubt, man?
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
Earth can give more charge now, sir. Again,
Hmm?
minus Q can be increased now, sir.
I'll tell you again. You have one plate here.
Yes, sir.
When you give charge, what you have?
2/2.
This will induce minus q by 2. Because it's neutral, you'll get q by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now you can see do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yes.
On plate y is 0. Till here you forward.
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Plate y is 0. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Till here, any doubts are there? This is having positive charge. See, suppose it's a charge q. Due to this, what is the potential here?
Therefore, pi epsilon 0 Q by R.
Suppose this is negative, this will be negative potential, no?
Yes, sir.
What this? So positive charges will give rise to positive potential. Negative charges will give rise to negative potential. Till here you have any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Right. Now you are earthing this. When you are earthing, this is q by 2. Till here you followed.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now what happens? This potential should be 0, no? What will happen? Do you agree with this? To make this potential 0, what we should do? This is positive potential, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here negative charges will go. Then what will happen? This charge will be nullified, na Jasim?
Yes, sir. It will be.
This will be nullified. So what will happen? This will increase, na?
Yes, sir.
When this increases, na? That means it should decrease, na?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. So finally what will happen? Maximum is it can pull those charges. Because of this negative charge pulls this. So this charge will come this side. That means finally this will be q minus q. 0, 0. Any doubt is there?
Sir, sir.
No
this minus q by 2 increase, that only I didn't understand.
This minus q by 2. This is nullified now. Now what charges are going?
So negative charge.
That means this negative charge is increasing or not?
So,
Hello.
Sir, what
Hello.
negative charge come to Earth, sir?
Pardon?
So the negative charge from plate will come to Earth, no, sir?
No man, this is negative charge is going now. Followed. This negative
Positive
charge is
charge is
bound.
coming.
Remember, it cannot flow. It is binded to this.
Okay, sir, okay.
This cannot flow. This goes on supplying negative charge. The reason for that is that means this will increase. Once this increases, this must increase. It should go down, no? Understood, Jasim?
yes, sir. Now that understood, sir.
Pardon?
I understood this.
If that
negative charge
minus
is
q
bound.
increases more,
That,
Pardon?
sir, I understood that this negative charge is bound. So
Hmm.
why should it increase, sir? That is my doubt, sir.
Which should increase? This one, na? Because this negative charge is coming, na? From here. Unless this potential becomes zero, it has to come, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see, potential due to this positive charge is Q. Potential due to negative charge is minus Q. Total potential is how much?
Zero.
Zero. Followed this or not?
Followed, sir. Followed.
Tell me.
if that minus q increases more, then how that parallel plate will get the more charge?
Pardon, I did not get you. What is the question?
Minus q becomes minus 2q or minus 3q. Then that
It
parallel
can't. Array, it cannot come because there only potential is zero, no? Once potential is zero, it is equal to the earth potential only, no?
So yes,
Earth
sir.
has zero potential. How can the further flow will come?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes.
Finished?
1 minute, sir. Please.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Because for charges to flow, there should be a potential difference, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I try on this?
Sir,
Tell.
one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Some negative charges come from Earth till the q by 2 becomes 0.
When negative charge comes, this charge first will get nullified, man. Okay. Now use your logic. This potential must become zero. Due to that one potential, due to this, okay, that will be zero. Again, the potential will be due to this now.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, some more charge should come.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What is the total charge on this? Q.
yes,
So
sir.
that gives a positive potential. Now you should have same negative charge here. Then the total potential of this will become zero. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why further charge will come. Now you can see potential due to this will be zero, due to this will be this and this will be zero or not together.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Net potential will be.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood.
Will I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only.
Right, sir, 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see whenever in a system of parallel plates, if one plate is earthed, outermost surface will have zero charge. Important point is do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Now suppose we are having plates like this. Now we are given a charge Q. Understood this? Clear? Now
Yes.
whenever you are earthing any plate you earth, what I said?
Outermost
Yes,
surfaces.
this will be 0.
Yes, sir.
We don't know anything how the charge, only thing we know is this. Agree? The distance of separation is d for this, 2d for this. Till here any doubt is there? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let us say this is point x, point y. Can you tell at ex? If you keep plus 1 it goes left side, no?
Yes, sir.
Due to this? Do you agree with this? Any doubt?
Yes. The right side. No, sir. Plus side.
No man, due to this left side, due to this left side, due to this left side, this is the right side.
Correct, sir.
Minus Q2 will attract no, sir.
Yes man, that's the reason I right side. I wrote plus I only, no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Correct or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like that you find dy? Can't you find?
Yes, sir. Fine.
What up, bro?
We can find.
Hmm?
Yes, sir, we can find.
Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir, please.
Ey equal to Q2 by A epsilon naught.
Which direction?
I cap.
Yeah.
All of you got this?
Yes, sir. Got
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this is E. This is what he gave now. Hello. What is the potential?
Sign of the charges.
Pardon?
Is it not at the sign of the charges?
No, because already accounted, no? Why it is going, if you keep plus 1, it goes toward this. Why? Because it's negative, no? Already accounted for that, no? Again, why do you take sign?
Yes.
Already the direction, you because of negative only, no? Utilize that once. How many times you use this again? Now come back to this. See, suppose the potential of this is some V. What is the potential of this? Earthed conductor.
0.
Now you know, that means this is higher potential, no?
Yes, sir.
High potential minus low potential by distance is Ex, no? Because potential decrease in the direction of E, no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for this also you can write now. Agreed? Divide one by
Yes,
the
sir.
other, what you will have if you divide one by the other? Divide one by the other, you will get Q1 by Q2,
So 1
no?
by Q2 equal
How much?
to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 by 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is how much? Q, no? Initially. Solve. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Followed this? Hello.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
Followed.
Shall I turn this? Any doubt is there?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Easy or difficult?
Easy, sir. Done, sir.
So suppose there are 3 plates like this. You are giving charges to this. Okay. Now how will the charge stay? Final distribution you tell. Final distribution. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So this should be how much?
minus 1 point.
So this is 11.5, no? Agreed. Totally see minus 8, 10, 5. Because it's isolated now.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Isolated.
Now, please see. I am earthing this plate. Immediately what will happen, can you tell? Whenever you are earthing one plate, outermost surface will become 0 now.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
See, this is not isolated. This plate is not isolated. So definitely there will be change in between what?
Third kind of
Plate
plate.
and earth. Agreed.
Yes.
So this is what? 0. Now let's start from this extreme one. This is 0 now. This is isolated. So what should be this?
I
What should be this?
minus 5.
This is also isolated. How much it should be? This is the distribution of charges. Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see. Suppose I earth this. What will happen? This is not isolated now. What will get here? Go to the other extreme. Start from there. 0, 0. Here minus 8. This should be plus 8 now. This is 10 now. What should be this? See, this is not isolated. Charge will be changing. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir.
Boys, followed or not?
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Please, fellows, be active, man.
Done, sir.
1 minute. Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Hello, finish it this one.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Now, the same situation. Then both are earthed. What will happen? Then what you should do? This is this is isolated. These are not isolated now. So what I told you,
Zeros on the extreme ends.
you should take
Let go.
Zero on auto surface.
right name Q1, Q2.
Minus Q1 minus Q2.
We got previously I think previously you got the same thing now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Middle plate, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
charge? 10 now. I'm not doing the whole process, already I've done now. Understood this? Whole story of this is the whole story of parallel plates. Let it be advanced or MTech. There is nothing else more than this. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Where you are feeling difficult, you don't understand me. Easy. Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Done, sir.
Finished?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Shall we turn this?
Yes, sir.
Drive problems you are finishing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubts are there in the drive problems? You're understanding and doing or simply copying?
Understanding, sir.
Understanding, sir.
You should try yourself everything. Understood this? You want to try?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Tell me.
So what about the classes, sir? Like everyone agreed to keep it 7 to 9, sir.
Not 7 to 9. Tomorrow 4 to 7. From tomorrow onwards.
4 to 7, sir.
Yes.
So what about the prayer, sir?
I am giving half breaks in the prayer time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is better now. Why at night? Any problem?
So, sir, like, 2 to 3, out of 7 students, some 2 students, we have exam on daytime, so we want 7 to 9, that is what they told. So then I'll convey them, sir.
No, no, if you are particular about 7 to 9, we can keep. Otherwise, 4 to 7, okay. Find out.
They're saying, like, they have exams till, like, 5:30, so they can't attend, like, after 5:30 only they can attend, so 7 to 9 is better, they're saying, sir.
But 3 hours we are not getting, no?
Sir?
We are not getting 3 hours now.
Yes, sir.
I'll call you after the class. Wait, before we finally. 4:30 I'll call. Okay, right.
Sir, thank you.
See, what is this? Q by 2a, no? Or total surface is how much? There are two surfaces, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
There are two surfaces, no?
Yes, sir. Two surfaces.
Now what he says is, another earthed plate is brought. When you bring an earthed plate, what will happen? This charge will be 0 now. So this should be
Yes.
Q, isolated plate, minus Q now. Then what is the sigma 2 of that? Well, on one surface distributed, no?
So, so one doubt, sir. Sir, in
Tell.
this sigma, no, sir. Sir, in this
Huh?
sigma. Sir, why we took Q by 2 by 5, sir? 5 here.
No, no, yes, yes,
Why
yes, yes,
yes,
yes,
sir?
yes.
Sorry,
This
sir.
is
Sorry.
S.
My
S
mistake.
or area. S or area. S is area.
Sir, sigma and sigma 1 both are same, no, sir?
Hmm. That's why we have sigma, that is nothing but sigma 1 is given. We need to find sigma 2. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Shall I turn? Hello. Finished? What are dielectrics? See, these materials do not contain any free electrons. Following or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, usually this is the nucleus, no? This is surrounded by a cloud of electrons. That means electrons will be moving like this, no? Agreed. Now you can see the center of negative charge. Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this? Now when you place this in an electric field, see there is an electric field like this. Now in the electric, if you place, what will happen? The most of the electrons will pull this side now.
Yes, sir.
Because these positive charges will experience a force when the electrons are pulled. Any doubt is that till here? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Whatever you do, only till October only. After that, we'll start revision. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minutes, sir, last minute. Yes, sir, continue.
So I can say that Agreed?
Yes, sir.
In polar dielectric, for example, NaCl is there. You have Na plus Cl minus. The centers will be different, no? That means they are having some distance. Understood this? So here, so suppose you are having a dipole, a molecule like this. Okay. In the presence of an electric field, what will happen? This will experience a force in the direction opposite to that. Therefore, they produce a torque or not. So, agreed or not?
Equal.
Therefore, this is try to, there is a torque in this direction. So, finally, what will happen? It will turn and orient this way. If this is P now, what is the torque? Clockwise only, no? Understood this? That means when you place a polar dielectric, the molecules will be oriented such that the dipole moment is along the electric field. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
What up, bro? Followed
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir. Followed.
Followed or not?
Followed, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
One doubt. One doubt, sir. Sir, in this first diagram, we put positive part upside and the negative part downside. Sir,
This.
if we put it in opposite way, then what will happen, sir?
You
Means,
put it again, it will be oriented. Net torque must be 0, no? Till torque becomes 0, it will be oriented. Understood this?
yes, sir.
It will turn totally and come back. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
You mean to say like this only, no, man?
Yes, sir. Positive, okay, sir, like this. Sir.
So what will happen here? This is P bar cross E bar, no?
Yes, sir.
It will turn like this. And finally it has to come, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed? The function of a torque will exist as long as the P bar is along E bar. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir. Completed, sir.
Suppose you keep a material then. A material. So in this, randomly will be there. So far followed. Now this material, whenever you keep, it may be polar or non-polar, whatever it is, any dielectric is kept. What will happen? Is an external field. Then what will happen? The dipoles will be oriented in the direction of the field. All of you following or not?
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see this will neutralize now. This will neutralize. This will neutralize. This will neutralize. Agreed?
Yes,
Then what is left over here finally?
Negative.
Now you can see that this is the polarized field. This is the external field. Agreed? So you know that E inside is how much? The external field is decreased by, remember, K times. Remember not? Whenever followed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See man, normally, that's why you recollect like this. Suppose as a medium, what do you have here? What will get here? Epsilon r is nothing but one K only, no? Delta
yes,
perimeter dielectric constant, both are same, no?
yes, sir. Both are same.
So in the presence of dielectric, what will happen? Electric field will decrease, no? So E inside, that means inside the dielectric, what will happen? E external by K. Do you agree with this? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
In the absence of electric field, in the absence of this electric field, so dielectric, you have electric field as E external. When dielectric is placed in that region, it will become by K, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this or not?
Understood.
The field that is present before will become 1 by K times upon placing. In any region, suppose the electric field is E before placement of dielectric. At the same region, if you place one dielectric and measure at the same point, you will get E by K. Understood this? Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now agreed. What is it you got E in? Minus E polarized, remember? Agreed or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Should I return this? Should I return this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, E in is 0, no, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, E in is 0, no, sir.
E?
In E inside.
This one?
No, sir. This second line. Also E in.
E in.
Yes, sir. This 0, no, sir.
Yes, when it will be 0 when these two are equal, not always. If it is a conductor only, it will be 0. Remember.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now you can check from that. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this whole story?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? You return this?
One, one, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1 minute.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Now in case of that metal plate, What is left over here? We have seen negative. This is plus. This whole thing is charge by area. Induced. This means negative induced charge. This is positive induced charge. No? Do you agree with this or not? Agreed. Hello. Now the polarization field will be this side only, no? Hello.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Keep plus one charge here. Due to this side, what you will have? EP due to this. What is that you have? Do you agree with this? What is EP just now you got? Understood this? Hello. Hello. Nobody there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1
No,
minute.
you're Abrar. Nobody are there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Understood how to find the charge densities? So much story is there. Is it clear? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Time up. Okay, then we'll continue tomorrow. Till here you followed, no? Right then.
Hello, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Sir, then for metals, it will be E external into epsilon naught, right, sir?
Obviously. Obviously, no, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right,
Bye, sir.
right, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.